Hi, third grade. It's Mrs. D'Amico here. Today we're going to go over Unit 2, Week 2, Day 2 in Fundations. And we're going to learn a new concept today. So make sure you watch this video in its entirety so that when you come back to school, you remember all of the new things that we've been learning. Let's get started real quick with our drill sounds warm up. Repeat after me. A, apple, ah. A, wash, ah. A, squash, ah. E, ed, eh. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, TCH, catch, ch. CH, chin, ch. B, bat, b. And D, dog, d. Very nice. Okay, now pay close attention as we watch our next part of today's lesson. Here we go. Now we're going to have an opportunity for you to try and be a 111 words detective. So let's recall from yesterday. What were the 3 questions that we have to ask ourselves when we're looking at words to determine if the word is a 111 word? Do you remember them? The first one was, is it a closed syllable word with 1 syllable? The second question is, does it have only 1 vowel? And the third question is, does it have only 1 consonant after the vowel? If you say yes to all 3 of these questions, then the word is a 111 word. And we'll understand here in a moment why that's important. But let's take a look at some words here. When you see the word flash on the screen, repeat it after me. Ready? Map, shut, loud, jog, milk, keep, zip, step, pat, mop, chip, flop, hop, feed, mist, bake. Okay, now that is a 4x4 array of words, isn't it? So if you know 4 times 4, how many words do we have on the screen? Right, 16 words. Now, what you're going to do if you're at home, I want you to hurry and grab a piece of paper and a pencil. Pause the video if you need to get your materials. Okay, now that you have your paper and pencil, what you're going to do is see if you can write down all of the words that are 111 words on the screen in front of you. I'll give you a hot tip. Out of the 16 words, 10 of these words are 111 words because they each are a closed syllable word with 1 syllable, and they only have 1 vowel, and they have only 1 consonant that follows the vowel. So, see if you can find all 10. Pause the video and start copying the words that are 111 words. Go for it. All right, let's check back and see how you did with identifying 111 words. Let's first look up at the top row. Map. What do you think? Yes, 111 or no? Hopefully you realized, yes, it's a closed syllable with 1 vowel and 1 consonant after the vowel. How about shut? Yes. Loud? No, that one has 2 vowels. That breaks that rule. How about jog? Correct. Next row, milk. No, it is a closed syllable and it has 1 vowel, but remember that third rule, it can only have 1 consonant following the vowel. This one has L and K. That's not one. Keep? Nope, 2 vowels. How about zip? Yes. Step? Yes. Pat? Yes. Mop? Chip? Correct. Flop? Yes. Hop? Yes. Feed? Nope, 2 vowels. Mist? Nope, 2 consonants after the vowel. And the last one, bake. What do you think? No, that's a V-E syllable. That's not even a closed syllable. So let's look. Did we get all 10 words? Yes, we did. Great work. In a second, we will focus on why it's important to know if a word is a 111 word. Because when we add a suffix to the end for 111 words, it might change our spelling. Great work. Grade, now that we have practiced reviewing what a 111 word is and practiced identifying them, now we're going to watch a video here in a second that will introduce you to a new concept. When we have 111 words and we combine them with a suffix, it's going to do something when we spell the new word. So let me share my screen with you and get ready to listen so that you understand our brand new concept for this week. All right, here you go.
Hi friends, it's me, Mrs. Walker again, and today we're going to continue our discussion on 111 words. Let's go ahead and review our suffixes by sorting between vowel suffixes and consonant suffixes. Ready? F-U-L, full. It's a consonant suffix. Nice work. I-N-G, ing. That's a vowel suffix. Awesome. L-E-S-S, less. Consonant suffix. L-Y, ly. It's a consonant suffix because it starts with a consonant. E-N-N, a vowel suffix. S, or z, a consonant suffix. M-E-N-T, ment, consonant suffix. How about ness? Consonant suffix, and I put ment in the wrong spot. T-Y-T, consonant, very good. How about this one? I-S-H, ish. Vowel, I-V-E, iv, vowel suffix. E-S, is, vowel suffix. E-S-T, ist, vowel suffix. Y-E, vowel suffix. Able, vowel suffix, and er. Good, I forgot one. E-D, d, t, or ed. Good job. Okay, so I want to talk to you guys a little bit about, do you remember these words? Rip, grab, stop, rin. Okay, now I pulled these words out because these words all have one thing in common. They all are 111 words. What makes this a 111 word? Why are they 111 words? Because they are one syllable, good. They have one vowel, very good. And they have one consonant following that one vowel. So that makes this a 111 word. Same thing with this one. This one syllable, one vowel, one consonant. One syllable, one vowel, one consonant. Okay, now sometimes when you have a 111 word and you're adding a suffix to it, it changes. It needs to change. Okay, and I'm going to show you a couple examples now. Just make some room here. Okay, so if I took, I'm going to build a base word. What's this base word? Cup, right? I have a cup of milk. I add this suffix, that's a consonant suffix, full, cup, full. I didn't have to change my base word at all. I left it the same, okay? I have a cup full of coffee. Now, if I wanted to say that I'm cupping my hands to grab some water so I could splash my sister, I'm going to add suffix ing. Suffix ing begins with a vowel, so I have to double my consonant. Cup, cupping, right? So this extra P helps it stay a closed syllable. Cup, cupping. So when you're adding a vowel suffix to a 111 word, you're going to double that consonant, okay? Let me show you another example. Okay, first thing, what's the base word? Hop. I see the bunny hop along the yard, right? And now if I wanted to say the bunny is hopping across the yard, so happening right now, I'm going to, because it's a 111 word, I'm going to double that P and it becomes hop, hopping, right? Now, if I didn't have that, that word would be hoping. So that again, that extra consonant, when you double that consonant, that helps it stay a closed syllable, okay? Nice work. I'm going to show you now, you have to mark these up a little bit differently. Let me show you what that looks like, okay? So if I have this base word, what's the base word? Hit. He is hitting the drum with the drumsticks, hitting. Is this a 111 word? Is it one syllable? Yes. Is there one vowel? Yes. Is there one consonant? Yes. So it is a 1-1 word, and E is a vowel suffix. So I'm going to add an extra T and write my suffix. So I'm going to underline my base word, circle my suffix, and I'm going to put a star above the T because I'm adding it. It's kind of a bonus, right? Hit, hitting, okay? What about cupped? He cupped his hands. Here's my base word, cup. We already know that cup is a 1-1 word. And what suffix are we going to use? ED, and is that a vowel or a consonant? A vowel, so I'm going to double that P. So wait, underline my base word, circle my suffix, and star above, put a star above my extra P. So what's the word? Cup, cupped. Nice work. Okay, so now what I'd like for you to do is go ahead, if you need to pause the video, we are going to practice spelling with some of these one-word words and adding suffixes. So if you need to pause the video, go ahead and grab your letterboard and then come on back. All right, nice job. You ready to get started? Okay, so remember, you should have two tiles, two blank suffix tiles, one labeled V and one labeled C for consonant suffix and vowel suffix. You're going to be using those today, okay? All right, you ready for the first word? The first word is hitting. What's the word? Hitting. What's the base word? Hit. Okay, so go ahead and spell your base word. Spell as you build, H-I-T. Now, you don't have two T's on your board, but you have blank tiles, okay? So, ing is a vowel suffix, so I have to add an extra consonant tile, and I'm going to add this. So, let's spell it, hitting, H-I-T-T, suffix I-N-G, hit, hitting. See how that works? Okay, let's spell that away, and now I'm going to have you do it. H-I-T-T-I-N-G, suffix I-N-G. Okay, how about grabbed? He grabbed my car keys. What's the base word? Grab. Very good. And how do we spell grab? G-R-A-B. Okay, now we're adding grabbed, we're adding suffix ed. Is that a vowel suffix or a consonant suffix? It's a vowel consonant. Is grab a 1-1 word? 1-1-1 word? Yes. So I'm going to double that B and add suffix ed. Let's spell it together. Ready? G-R-A-B-B, suffix ed. Grab, grabbed. Nice job. Go ahead and spell that away. G-R-A-B-B, R, A, B, B, suffix ed. Okay. Floppy. What's the word? Floppy. What's the base word? Flop. Nice job. Go ahead and spell flop for me. While you're spelling flop, think about if it's a one word, F-L-O-P. Is it a one word? Yep, it's one syllable, one vowel, and one consonant. And I'm adding suffix ed for flopped, right? So that's a vowel suffix. What did I have to do with that P? Add another P. Nice work. Spell it for me. F-L-O-P-P suffix ed. Very good. He flopped on the ground because he was upset that he did not get the candy. I'm sure you never do anything like that. Okay, let's do a couple more. How about hotter? It's getting hotter and hotter as the day goes on. What's the word? Hotter. What's the base word? Hot. Go ahead and spell that. H-O-T. What am I going to do? Good. I'm going to add another T, and I'm going to put my vowel suffix for suffix er, right? Spell it for me. H-O-T-T suffix er. Very good. Let's go ahead and spell that away. H-O-T-T suffix er. Okay, last one. Gripped. He gripped my hand so tight. I thought he was going to squeeze my blood out. He gripped my hand so tight because he was scared. How's that? Much better. What's the base word? Grip. Go ahead and bring it down. G-R-I-P. And is it a one word? Yes, so we're going to add another P, and we're gripped. So that's ed. So I'm going to put my vowel suffix. Spell it for me. G-R-I-P-P-E-D. Gripped. Nice job. Okay, so now what I'd like for you to do, just so that you have a reference, is I'd like for you to, when you are done with me, you can go ahead and get your student notebook or the page that corresponds, which is the 111 doubling rule. And it goes over that rule, and you're going to write these words on the lines provided. Cup plus ed, and you're going to spell it correctly. How would you spell it? C-U-P-P-E-D, because it's a one word. Same with flat plus est. Flat is a one word, so you're going to double that T. Okay? Flat. Good job. And then same with starring. So you just have to fill these things out. Okay? Down here on the bottom, these are one words, but we're adding consonant suffixes, so you do not have to double that consonant. Okay? All right. I hope you have a great day. Nice work today, learning more about the 111 spelling rule, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye. Hi, friends.
Okay, we don't need to see that necessarily again, do we? I wanted to point out to you at the very end there, what she was saying is that in your Castle student notebook, the page number that you need to go to add those examples of the 111 doubling rule is on page 36. Okay, so remember, if it's a 111 word and you're adding a vowel suffix, you double the consonant before you add the suffix. But down at the bottom, a consonant suffix you do not need to double the consonant. You just simply add the suffix if it's a consonant suffix. Okay, so great job with that. Give me 1 second and we will move on to the last activity for Fundations today. Okay, and just to clarify, on page 36 in Fundations that you just did in your notebook, when you are spelling these words, like here's a base word on the screen in front of you. The base word is what? Hit. If I want to make the word hitting, I would know that I would need this ing vowel suffix. So You should be able to tell me now, after today's lesson, hit is a 111 word. True? Yes. So before I add a vowel suffix, I need to double the consonant, correct? There it is. Here's what I want to make sure we have clear. If we are marking this word, all right, let me go over here and get a color. I'll do blue today. All right, to appropriately mark this word, here's what you do. You underline the base word, hit, okay? You put a star above the bonus letter, and then you just circle the suffix. Okay, so I just wanted to go over that routine if you are spelling words with the 111 rule that we learned today. Underline the base word, star the bonus letter if you had to attach one before adding a vowel suffix, and then circle the suffix. Okay, the last thing we did in class today is we practiced our newest up-down letters that we saw yesterday. So we had a handout where we practiced printing lowercase r, s, and t. But since you're not at school, don't worry about it. You have paper, I'm sure, at home that you can practice with. So at the very end, I'm going to wrap up by simply showing you the formations for those letters. Go ahead and watch.
R is an up-down letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the plane line. Make half of a swinging bridge. Go back to the grass line and make a tail.
Okay, so that was lowercase r. And remember, if you're at home, you can go back and rewatch these parts of the video. Here's S.
S is an up-down letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the plane line. Go straight down to the grass line. Connect the lines and make a tail.
Okay, and lastly, our lowercase t. Here you go.
T is an up-down letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide way up to the skyline. Trace back down to the grass line and make a tail. Cross it on the plane line.
All right, so you can go ahead at home and practice with your newest up-down letters that we learned this week. And take care, because that's all I have for you today. So I'll see you next time.